In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort a table's rows based on the contents of a specific column. Whether you're working with a simple data table or managing a more complex list, understanding how to organize your information can make your tasks much more manageable and efficient. Let's dive right in and see how you can sort the rows of a table seamlessly. First, open the document that contains your table. It's important to click somewhere inside the table to activate the table tools. If you're sorting the whole table, a single click within any of the cells will do the trick. However, if you're aiming to sort only specific rows, you'll want to select those particular rows before moving on. This ensures that the sort action is applied precisely where you need it. Once you've clicked inside your table, you'll notice a special set of tools appear on your toolbar, a tab labeled Table Tools. Under Table Tools, you will see two further tabs, Design and Layout. What we're interested in is the Layout tab. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you will find a group titled Data. Within this group lies the Sort option, a powerful feature that will let you organize your table contents with precision. Click on the Sort button to bring up the Sort dialog box, your central hub for customizing how your table rows will be rearranged. In the Sort dialog box, you'll see a section labeled Sort By. This is where you decide which column you want to sort your table by. For instance, you might see options like Column 2, Name, if your table includes that as a column header. Choose the column that makes the most sense for your task. This decision is key because it determines the rule by which the sorting operation will be carried out. Next, move your attention to the Type drop-down. Here, you have the flexibility to indicate whether the contents of your chosen column are text, numbers, or dates. Selecting the correct type is crucial because it helps the software understand how to evaluate the data accurately. For example, choosing text will sort the items alphabetically, while selecting number will sort them numerically. If your data involves dates, ensure you select date to keep everything in chronological order. Finally, choose whether you want your data sorted in ascending or descending order. Ascending order will arrange your data from A to Z or from the smallest to the largest, while descending does the inverse. This choice depends on how you prefer to visualize your data at a glance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily sort any table in your document, making information retrieval quicker and simplifying your workflow. With practice, this process will become second nature. If this was helpful, make sure to give it a try with your other documents. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.